Morning, guys. Let's talk about writing your actual song. At this point, it's time for you to start working on your actual song that you're going to turn into the Country Music Hall of Fame. When you do this checklist is to be done as you go along. You're not going to have all the boxes checked on this right now, and I know that, and I want you to know that too. When you go through this, what you want to do is, as you're writing your song, check off the boxes as you get them. The first thing you're going to work on for this checklist is the songwriting outline. Write out your title. What's your hook? It could be the same thing as your title. Then, what details are you going to put in your verses to support the theme? And it's got some ideas there for you. Then your song outlines right here. You've got your title, whatever the topic of your first verse is, the hook, or in the chorus, the verse 2 topic, the hook, and then the verse 3 topic. You don't have to have 3 verses. I would like you to have 3 verses, but you don't have to have 3. I want at least 2 though. Then, once you've gone through that process, at that point, you're ready to start writing your actual song. So in this big open space, start writing your verses and start writing your choruses. For this exercise, for what we're turning into the Country Music Hall of Fame, they've asked for each verse to be 4 lines and for each chorus to also be 4 lines. The chorus needs to include the hook or the title in at least 1 line. And remember that each line should have 5 to 8 syllables in it. Once you've done that, hopefully you will get that done by Monday. On Monday, have mom or dad email me your first draft, because there's another part of this process that we can't do at like normal. If we were in a normal music class, we would go on to this, the partner revision worksheet. Now, if mom or dad want to do the partner revision worksheet with you, that's great. That's wonderful. But if they can't do that, that's okay. You have them take a picture of your lyrics, send them to me. I'll review it for you. Once you've reviewed it, then you're going to go back and consider making changes. Once you've made the changes and made sure that you have everything the way you want it, at the bottom, you need to write something about how you envision the music of your song, because the songwriter will take that into consideration. He or she might not put it to the same kind of music you're thinking. Maybe you think it's a rock song and they write it as a country song. However, they will take it into consideration, like whether you'd want it to be fast or slow. I don't know, just all those sorts of things they will take into consideration. That being said, the only other thing I want to tell you is this: start writing. One of the biggest things that gets in the way of writing songs is the words "I can't" or "I don't know what to write about." Just start writing. That's the advantage of the free writes that we've been doing. The free writes are supposed to help you get to a point where you can just start writing your thoughts. Once you get your first draft done, once again, take a picture, send it to me, and I will be more than happy to revise parts of it for you. Once again, as you go throughout, keep a checklist. This will keep you on task. I'd like to see the first draft of your songs by Monday, because we have to have your final versions turned in by the 23rd. That being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you at the next Words and Music class. Bye, y'all.